We're gonna go knock on this nigga door. Open the door, nigga. Open the door. Oh, what you want?
No, it's the room tour today.
What?
The room tour is today.
Oh, that's today?
Obviously, I just said that.
Alright, well, just give me a second, alright?
Hurry up.
I gotta clean up a little.
Hurry up.
You can come on right on there. Come on. I'll bring y'all on there. Y'all can come right in there. Joint. What is? Come on. What is good, everybody on YouTube? It is your boy Force Represent back at it again with another video. Get in! And today, y'all, like I promised in my last video, I'm going to give you all a room tour of my very boring room. But like I promised y'all I was going to give y'all a room tour. So that's what I'm going to do. We are where all the magic happens. This is where all the magic happens, if you know what I mean. Huh? But yeah, this is exactly where all the magic happens. This is where I'm at majority of my life, unless I'm out doing stuff. But this is my comfort zone. This is where I make art. This is where... yeah. So yeah, this is my room. I'm gonna I was trying to figure out how I was gonna do this because I don't have like a cameraman like showing while I talk, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to like do this on my own. So I'm gonna just see how this work, you know what I'm saying? Right now behind me, as you can see, this is my bed right here. This is my bed. This is where, like I said, all the good stuff happens, you know. That's my computer. If you guys have been on my live, I don't have any Wi-Fi in my house. So whenever I want to like use the internet or stuff like that, I just go on to the library and do what I gotta do. So that computer is really useless right now. It only has like saved music that I had on there that I play out loud and stuff like that. But that's not really important. This is my bed. As you can see right here, this is a bag that I've been making lately. As you can see, this is one of the latest bags I've made for my 222+111 little like art gallery brand type thing. This is the sad face bag. It's double-sided. Also, this is the other bag. It's more of like that abstract like paint stuff. If you look closely, you can see like the 333 in it. But yeah, that's not really important right now. That's just on my bed. That's what I've been working on lately. What else do you guys want to know? Let me sit this right here. Let me see if I could like finesse this. Hold on. Ugh. Alright, y'all can see. So look, this right here, this side of the rack right here, this is where my clothes that I wear are at. You know what I'm saying? I got the pants, the shirts, the outerwear, you know what I'm saying. And over here, let me turn it a little bit. On this side is where my thrift store is. So guys, if you know what I'm saying, you've been following me, you know I have my own thrift store and I sell stuff in my thrift store. So this is where the stuff is. So if somebody buys something, you know what I'm saying, I take it off the rack. You know what I'm saying? Say somebody purchased this. I go to the library, you know what I'm saying, make my walk to the library, and I print out the shipping label, and then, you know what I'm saying, go to the post office, I put it in there, and I ship it out to y'all. So yes, when you're buying stuff from the thrift store, this is where it's coming from, you know what I'm saying. This right here is some more bags that I'm doing. This is the 3 on it. On the other side, it has that 3 on there. And then this one right here is the all over print 333. Hand painted by me. You know, Forrest back at it with the artsy stuff. That's so irrelevant. But yeah, as you can see, I gotta get my pointer right. As you can see right there is my skateboard. This is my skateboard, guys. Let you know that I am not lying. I actually do have a skateboard. This is a Baker board with the Misfit grip tape, you know what I'm saying. It's normally not put up there, but I put it up there for this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it back. Alright, so what else do I want to talk about in my room? I'm gonna flip the camera that way so I can like show it like a POV version. So right here in my room, I have like sticky notes on like, oh shit, I'm fucking stuff up. Right here I have like sticky notes on my wall right here that just gives me like, you know what I'm saying, what's the word? affirmation or like reminders of what I want to do in my life and stay committed to. So right now I have read a chapter a day, you know what I'm saying? Do like different stuff on my bags, like go on the street and sell to people, develop a relationship with someone who does what I want to do, you know what I'm saying? YouTube schedule, I'm trying to post Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Just like certain things that I want to be, you know what I'm saying, and try to provide value to people. My thrift store, art pieces, and YouTuber. So these are just things I look at every day to remind me to stay on track of what I want to do. This stuff is hella miscellaneous. As y'all can see, these are the lights that's in my room. These are supposed to be on those lights, but when I make my YouTube videos, I need them off so it can be bright in here. Another sticky note in my room right here is like, I plan out like my outfits. So I have gray jeans and then I have like all the combinations of what I could wear with those jeans. So when I'm looking for an outfit, I'll just look at this and be like, okay, gray jeans, what other combinations I can make with that? But yeah, all this stuff right here is miscellaneous. Right here is the mirror in my room for a lot of purposes. This mirror can be used to look at my outfit. This mirror could be used for, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, other than that, that's just a mirror. Over here by my bedside, you know what I'm saying, I have like $3, all the money to my name. Actually, that is $2. This is all the money I have to my name. I'm Brooke Sale. Right here is the Ripperton, you know what I'm saying. I got my last name on my cup holder. The jewelry, all of these paper clips, my glasses, charger, miscellaneous, and another sticky note in my room. It says, you're just overthinking it, I promise. So just little reminders for me, you know what I'm saying. I got the smell goods right here. I don't really wear smell goods that much, but you know, if I want to smell good for a sexy lady out there. Coconut oil for the hair, you know what I'm saying. This is some Dolce & Gabbana. You know what I'm saying? Schmear. This is for the incense to smell good, to set the tone in the room. And this right here, I'm a Cowboys fan. Football, you know what I'm saying? This has all my coins in it, you know what I'm saying? Loose change, give it to me. But, yeah, I have like these paintings on the wall, these little, I'm saying, nothing too serious. That painting right here. This painting right here was made by my sister, you know what I'm saying? She knows how to paint fucking amazingly. These three right here, I painted myself. Just some little like, hold on. Let me get real close for you. And it's sideways like that on purpose, guys. It's not like it fell over. It's just on purpose. My walls are like blank as hell. I need to put some stuff in here. If it was up to me, I would have this whole room like spray painted and drew on the walls, but my mother would kill me. But yeah, this is like a little painting. Don't die living someone else's dream. You know what I'm saying? Just some little abstract stuff. Another like, hold on. Another like abstract painting. Love is dead. And this peace, love, and happiness butterfly painting. So yeah, nothing too special. I told you guys my room is not really like the spectacularest thing ever. But yeah, this is where I'm at all the time. Like, I don't know. I hope this video isn't like boring as hell. Like, I really don't know what to talk about in here at all. Like, my bed is my bed. This is where I lay. This is where I play. And this is when I, hey. But yeah, this is my bed. These are my clothes. That's my thrift store stuff. A mirror. My computer. Bags I paint. Like, my room isn't really, you know what I'm saying, that spectacular. A lot of people wanted me to do the room tour, so that's why I did it, you know what I'm saying. I stay committed to my followers, you know what I'm saying. I do what I say I'm going to do, so that's why I'm doing this. Yeah, my room isn't that big. I don't know if you guys expected, like, some crazy stuff, but, you know what I'm saying, this is my room. This is where I'm at all the time, 24/7, making stuff. So, yeah. Oh! I do have this in my room. I have a basketball trophy, you know what I'm saying. Anybody who want to get, you know what I'm saying, get handed these buckets, you know what I'm saying, hey, I'm with all the smoke. But yeah, this is my room, ladies and gentlemen. This is my bucket of whatever they say. But yeah, this is my room, ladies and gentlemen. Stuff right there on the ground is just like so miscellaneous. There's no point in me even talking about that stuff. Like, my room really isn't that big. I feel like this bed, if this bed right here wasn't so big, my room would look much bigger than what it is. But my mother loves big furniture. So that's why this is in here. I tried to convince her to make us get like smaller bed frame. But you know, this bed does wonders for a lot of things. So it's not really that bad. I don't need that much space in here. But yeah, I'm going to like decorate the walls more because it's a little too bland in here for me, you know. I want it to look more lively, you know. So I haven't really been home that much. So I just moved back home not too long ago. So I feel like it's time for me to, you know what I'm saying, make this thing look a little special. So yeah, this was really that was really it for my room tour. I hope I didn't bore you guys. I hope this wasn't boring. I hope it wasn't like, I don't know, like, I'm trying to think of something else for me to talk about in my room. Like, I really don't know what else to talk about. I showed you the thrift store, showed you my rack of clothes. You guys saw this right here. This is the book that I'm reading right now, Jab, Jab, Right Hook from Gary Vaynerchuk. So I'm trying to read a chapter a day. So I read one chapter today already, and I wrote notes. About what I read and stuff like that. So I'm staying committed to that. So these sticky notes that are up on my room are not for no reason. That is definitely for me to stay on track with certain things. So yeah, that's one thing that I really do. I try to like put sticky notes around to keep me, you know what I'm saying, remind me of things that I should be doing. But yeah, that's pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, this is pretty much it. I say a basic room because I'm basic, you know what I'm saying? I don't like all the special things, you know what I'm saying? I don't need no spectacular room. I don't need spectacular accessories for my room and stuff. It's just as long as I got a roof over my head, you know? I enjoy the small basic things. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed my room tour. I'm sorry if it wasn't what you expected. I'm sorry if this wasn't entertaining enough. But, yeah, that's my room. I'm not sure what my next YouTube video is going to be about. But yeah. I want to thank you for watching though and staying this long. I really appreciate everybody who has been subscribing to my channel and have been liking and commenting in the comment section below and following me on Instagram. I really appreciate you all my supporters and everything, and sticking with me through these cringy videos. Like, I be hoping I'm entertaining enough. I hope I don't be boring you guys. So I really do appreciate you guys. If you have any topics you want me to talk about on here, let me know. DM me on Instagram. Comment in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? Let me know something. I'm trying to get better at videos. I'm trying to do stuff that, you know what I'm saying, will help you guys out. So let me know what y'all want to see. Let me know if y'all like the room tour. I'll see you guys next video. Thank you for watching. It's your boy Forrest Rippleton, and we are out. Yeah!